What's up YouTube, this is Jesse aka Royalty Custom Sneakers and I'm back with another video. Today we're going to be making some Air Forces inspired by the Los Angeles Lakers 2023-24 City Edition uniforms. These jerseys, nicknamed the California Dream, were designed by Lakers creative director Jay Diaz. The black base of the jersey is representative of the dream of what the Lakers could become when they first moved to Los Angeles. The purple trim is a nod to the sky after a California sunset. The triangle wordmark is a throwback to the Lakers' early basketball days. And the number set is the same style as the ones used from 1999 to 2017. LAL laid out on the belt buckle cements LA as the Lakers' home. It is also an acronym for Leave a Legacy. On the shorts panel is the official partial logo, LA complete with speed marks. Now that you know a little bit about the design, sit back, relax, and let's get into it. The base shoe for today's custom is a pair of black and white Air Force 1's. As always, I start with the prep work. I use sandpaper, acetone, and adhesion promoter to make sure my paint will stick to the leather. Next, I tape around the Nike swooshes so I can lay down my first layer of paint. Next, I lay down my first base coat of lilac. Make sure to use thin, even coats to help prevent cracking. After about 2 to 3 coats, the lilac is solid, so I can lay down my first coat of purple. Again, remember to use thin, even coats to help prevent cracking. After the purple is solid, I use a toothpick to lay down a base coat of pale yellow around the outside of the swoosh. Then I use my Lakers gold and add 2 coats on top of the yellow. After a couple coats of flat black on the heel tab, I lay down mist on the logo so I can color it later. Then I use my stencil cutter to cut out some logos for the heel and apply them with the help of masking tape. I use a layer of black over the stencil to make sure it's sealed and no paint will leak underneath. I follow the black with a couple light coats of mist. This will allow any colors on top to show up brighter against the black background. Then I lay down a few coats of pale yellow. This will act as a base coat for the Lakers gold on top and make it pop against the black background even more. The final few layers will be our Lakers gold. Make sure to leave ample dry time before pulling up the stencil to avoid any leaking or peeling. The final detail for this pair will be the purple accents to the Air branding on the midsole. Then it's time to lace these up and let's see how they turned out. progress through the season, the Lakers are gearing up for a championship run to put banner number 18 in the rafters. If you're interested in getting your own pair of customs, please hit me up at Royalty Custom Sneakers on Instagram. If you enjoyed the video, consider liking and subscribing to the channel. Comment below what you want to see next, and as always, stay royal.